Good day, everyone. My name is Lugendran. Today, I'll be presenting on soil investigation using Rotary wash drilling machine. This machine is commonly used in geotechnical investigation to drill boreholes and obtain soil information. First, let's see the principle of the operation. The drilling machine works by rotating the drill bit to cut through the soil. Water or drilling fluid is pumped through the drill rods to loosen the soil, and the soil cutting are flushed back to the surface. Next, the purpose of this machine in site investigation is to drill boreholes and collect soil information for engineering analysis. It also helps in groundwater investigation and soil sampling. The suitable ground condition for this machine is from soft to medium soil such as clay, silt, sand, and loose gravel. It may not perform well in very hard rock formations. So the advantage of this drilling machine is it's fast in soft to medium soil, can reach deep depths, provide a continuous removal of cutting, and is suitable for soil and groundwater investigation. Next, the limitation is it's not suitable for very hard rock. Water may disrupt some soil samples. It requires continuous water supply, and boreholes may collapse in loose soil without proper casing. Some precautions include keeping the drill vertical, controlling water pressure, avoiding sample mixing, preventing borehole collapse, and following safety rules such as wearing PPE. The practical process starts with drilling into soil, pumping water or mud, bringing cutting to the surface, and continuing to required depth and collecting the samples. In conclusion, the rotary wash drilling machine is an effective method for soil investigation, especially in soil to medium soils, in soft to medium soils, but proper operation and precautions are important for accurate results. Thank you.